Today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is entitled Woman Loses It After Getting Kicked Out of Motel.
On March 1st, 2025, officers were dispatched to a Motel 6 after a guest was causing a disturbance following a dispute over her room.
Okay, how are you?
I'm gonna be better when this man get my money.
Okay, what's going on tonight?
He gave us the room. This room don't have a lick of heat in there.
Okay.
I call him 10 minutes into the stay. We get up to the room. I tell him there's no heat. He brings
When did
two
you check
heaters up
in?
there.
Did you just check in tonight?
No, we checked in tonight.
Okay.
We
Why is
got
she
him 10
yelling?
minutes into the stay. I tell him there's no heat. The little air conditioner was blowing out heat. The shit stopped working.
Okay.
I call him 10 minutes into the stay. I'm like, listen, there's no heat. He brings two little portable little heaters that I got underneath my computer that's at home. Them shit's not working.
Okay.
We go to sleep. We was drunk. That was the only purpose of us even staying here, because we were drunk. You feel me? We just started drinking right down the street. I'm like, shit, we gonna stay here.
Yeah.
10 minutes into the stay, the fucking fan stopped working, I guess. Because we wake up and there's no heat.
Gotcha.
I called the front desk. I told him I want my money back, bruh. I said, or put us in a different room. He said, I can't leave the front desk.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do? Because I'm not about to sleep. I could have slept in my fucking car, bruh. It's cold as fuck in here.
I got you. What are you wanting to see happen?
I want either a new room or I want my money back. That's it. So I can get up out of here, bruh.
I know that they can't do refunds at the front
Okay,
desk
so
all
you need to
night,
give me
so
another room.
let me talk to him and see.
He told me he's not giving me another room, I guess, because of my behavior. But I don't understand what
I can tell you this. Try to bring it down a little bit, otherwise they'll end up trespassing you, because that's usually what happens at any of the hotels when we have
Yeah, bring that
But
tone down.
Try to calm him
Facts.
down, let me talk to him, let me see where I can get for you, we'll go from there, okay?
Well, the room is not even in my name. It's in my boyfriend's name. He said, what?
It sounds like they want you trespassed, but let me see.
Please and thank you, because
But-
I don't know why I should be trespassing.
But you also need to bring it down a notch in the meantime too, what one way or another, so give me a second. Where's Rodney at?
6 miles per hour.
That's what he just told me.
Light traffic.
He can't
Go
open
ahead
that
and
door.
stop on a ramp.
He won't open it?
People
He can't,
flowing,
he doesn't
turning
have a
left
key.
onto.
He said no other room and he wants you trespass.
Okay, well, tell him to give me the number for corporate, because we rented this room through my job, so I know that I can get my money back through Priceline for sure. But at the end of the day, we should be
You booked through Priceline?
Yeah.
You have to go through them for the refund anyway. You can still contact corporate tomorrow and whatever you want to do as
Okay,
far
I
as
still
that.
want corporate's information. I'll still contact Priceline, but I want his information, I want his name, and I want corporate information, because,
No,
yeah,
you
that's
talk
not professional.
nicely, and
I called you professionally on the phone. Yes, I did.
I'm gonna have it
They can
made.
pull-
I was gonna
they can
say,
pull it up.
stop.
They can pull it up.
Stop. Do you have your
I ain't
ID?
gotta go back and forth. My ID? No, I don't. I have nothing on me. I got my social if you need that.
Okay. Yeah, I have to fill you out a trespass form.
Go ahead and use on
What's your suit?
And I'm not giving you none of my information until y'all give me the information that I just asked y'all for.
You'll give us the information or you'll be arrested.
You gonna arrest me?
Yep.
Because I just asked y'all for the information.
Hold on,
That doesn't
ma'am.
even make sense.
Hold on, ma'am.
We're going southbound.
What are you saying? If you don't give us your information, which I know you just did, you can be arrested. We're
I
not
just
sure.
gave it to you. It's
we're-
on camera that I just gave it to you.
Well,
To re-
Because he didn't keep up, that's his personal problem. That doesn't make sense.
Hold on one second. To review our body cam, I'd have to go back to the PD and download.
Okay, let's go to the PD then.
No, ma'am. Hold on.
you're not free to leave.
Let's go to the PD. Because I just chopped up $90 and y'all don't give a
You're not free to go. You're under arrest. Come here.
Wow, unbelievable.
Hands behind your back.
Okay, you gotta be careful
Hands
because I
behind your
got a
back.
torn
Hands
shoulder.
behind your back.
I have a torn shoulder.
Quit pulling away.
I'm telling you, I have a torn rotator cuff.
Okay, put your... Ease up. Hands behind your
Okay,
back.
I'm telling you to be careful with my shoulder.
If
What are you talking about? Let me
Stop.
call my boyfriend so he can get my shit.
Stop. Stop. Pulling.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You can't make this up. Really. Something as simple as this. There could be a simple resolution, right? But off the rip, she's yelling at the officer. Like, it's like, why are you talking so loud? For no reason. So, and that's when the officer is there. So I can only imagine how it was prior to the officer getting there, and it was just him, it was just her and the guy at the front desk. It's understandable. You book a hotel room or a motel, whatever. You book a place to stay, the heat isn't working. They try to come up with a resolution, get you some portable heaters. The portable heaters isn't working. It's understandable. They could get you another room, or they could, that place isn't fully booked, right? They could get you another room or get you, help you with, something. But it's not really about what you say. It's about how you say it. And I'm sure this lady came off in the wrong way. It's about how you say it. You could get somebody to do anything. But you got to learn the art of saying it in the right way.
Point away. Give me what's in your hands. Give me what.
I'm gonna put my shit in my bag. Y'all don't gotta.
We don't need to make this a hard situation.
Y'all making it a hard thing for nothing. Please. Because I asked for a different room.
Put your hands behind your back. This is about the 10th time I've told you.
This shit's crazy.
We're not reaching in a bag.
Why? My shoulder? You gonna dislocate my shoulder? Are you serious? You just dislocated
Stop.
my fucking shoulder,
Put your
bro.
other arm behind your back.
Now you're getting a charge of resisting arrest as well.
That's okay. My mom's a lawyer, so I don't really
you
give a
never
f-
get back.
this. Can I get my lighter?
Nope.
And I'm pressing charges.
29.
I cannot
Valley
wait
Street,
to press charges.
29 Valley.
Walk to the car.
And there's a gun on
I'll
me.
get the.
Thank you very much.
There's a gun?
Yeah.
Where's the gun
Bruh,
at?
get off of my arm like that.
Where is the
I'm
gun
pressing
at?
charges on you, officer. Show your name.
Where's the gun?
Show your fucking name. It's right there in my bag. Show your fucking name. Yeah, I'm pressing charges on you.
Check up on any chance.
I'm definitely pressing charges on you.
One detained. Here, let me get this away.
I can't wait to press charges on you. You racist as f***. Obviously.
Let me know when you have that clear.
It's clear. The clip is in there
Get over
too,
here.
silly ass.
Yep, we'll get it out.
Yeah. I got
Stop pulling away. Rodney, you need to hold on a second.
You're a weak ass bitch. I hope your mama told you you a weak bitch.
You need to stop pulling away and just comply.
I'm already going to jail, boy. What you talking about?
Hold her against the car so I can get this bag off.
You hold her
I'm
there. I'm
going to take
securing
it off.
this.
My shoulder is dislocated. What are you not understanding? Yes, bitch. Your mama raised a
Okay,
bitch.
what do you need?
You're a bitch.
I'm cutting this off.
You're gonna cut my bag off.
Got her?
You professional. This a bitch here. His mama's raised a bitch.
They got to
You
get
know
it
what I
off. I
think,
would cut the
bitch?
bag off. Just because you being an asshole.
Damn, what's taking so long? It's cold
Quit
as fuck.
screaming.
Female off.
It's cold as fuck. Get off of me.
Stop screaming.
You better hope I don't kick your bitch
Have a
ass in
seat.
your face. Get off. I can't have a seat if you're holding me, stupid.
Quit pulling
Let
away
go.
from me.
Let's go.
Have a seat.
Let's go.
She's the daughter of a lawyer.
My shoulder is dislocated. I can't fucking get in a car with a fucking dislocated shoulder. Let go. Damn. I ain't gonna be able to sit.
I'm gonna try to find her money that's going under the car. Thank you.
The suspect was charged with obstruction, disorderly conduct, criminal trespass, and resisting arrest. She spent 1 night in jail as a result of this arrest.
Yeah, so obviously the gun was legal or whatever, and that makes sense if she's the daughter of a lawyer, make sure, she's protected and stuff like that or whatever, go get your license and all that good stuff. Because we do have the right to bear arms. Okay. So yeah, but anyways, I mean, like I said, it's not about it's really not about what you say, it's how you say it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, this doesn't make no sense. And she's acting like a jackass for no reason. Honestly, no reason. I understand being upset. I would be upset too. Trust me, I would be upset too. But you could figure it out in a mild manner, Crazy. Anyways, yeah, so I get officers 5 out of 5, man, because they did the right thing. Honestly, did the right thing. She thought she wanted to do whatever she wanted to do. She wanted to walk away, not give her information, all types of stuff, just being a hassle from the get-go. Loud. Oh my goodness. What? Loud, just for no reason. So 5 out of 5 for me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.